One day, a group of filmmakers was planning to start a big project. They needed everything to create the next generation of videos. That's when the Canon EOS R5 stepped onto the stage. With 8K video recording, 4K at 120 FPS, and excellent color accuracy, this camera was a powerful option for the future. Its autofocus system was so advanced that it ensured every movement was captured with perfect clarity. But this perfect camera also had some challenges. Its price was not accessible to average content creators, and the 8K video recording could sometimes cause heating issues. Additionally, its heavy build and large size made it a bit less portable. Still, for professionals creating high-end content, it was truly unbeatable. A group of young YouTubers with a limited budget wanted to produce high-quality content. In their journey, the Panasonic Lumix GH5 was waiting for them. Despite its affordable price, this camera provided excellent video recording quality. It could shoot 4K video at 60 FPS, had a wide dynamic range, and featured in-body image stabilization, IBIS, to ensure smooth footage every time. Of course, every great camera has its drawbacks. The GH5 didn't perform as well in low-light situations. Additionally, its autofocus system wasn't as fast as some of its competitors, and sometimes it struggled to maintain sharpness. Nevertheless, for YouTubers on a budget, it was a perfect choice. In the world of vlogging, everything needed to be simple and practical. This is where the Sony ZV-1 came into play. Compact, lightweight, and portable, this camera was the ideal companion for vloggers. With its face detection technology, it always ensured clear focus, and its microphone input enhanced audio quality. This camera delivered excellent performance in nearly every situation. However, like everything, the ZV-1 had some flaws. Its lens was fixed, meaning there was no optical zoom, which could limit some types of content. Additionally, it didn't perform as well in low-light conditions, and noise could appear in the footage. Yet for vloggers, its portability and ease of use made it a fantastic choice. Finally, for those who created action-packed, nature-filled content, the GoPro Hero 11 Black was the go-to camera. Known for its waterproof design and durability, this camera was perfect for extreme sports and nature shots. With 5.3K video recording and Hypersmooth 5.0 image stabilization technology, it delivered high-quality footage even in the toughest conditions. However, GoPro also had some downsides. In close-up shots, the wide-angle lens could sometimes distort the image. Additionally, the audio recording, especially in outdoor environments, could fall short of expectations. But for nature, sports, travel, or underwater filming, this camera was truly irreplaceable. Once upon a time, the greatest quest among content creators was the question, how can I get the best cinematic footage? One of the strongest answers to this question came from the Sony A7S III. This camera was famous for its performance in low light. No matter where you were, it could deliver outstanding clarity even in the darkest corners. With 4K video recording, a wide dynamic range, and high-resolution cinematic footage, it was like a dream for YouTubers. However, like every perfect thing, there was a price to pay. The Sony A7S III was quite expensive. Additionally, its large and heavy design limited its portability. If you weren't working with a large equipment setup, this camera might be a bit cumbersome for daily vlogging. But for cinematic content, the quality it provided was always appreciated.